Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find red ginseng. To start your quest, head over to Estero Park. Before you go too far, make sure you have a heavy cord, which you can find at the doctor's office. You will also need to visit Squalmart to purchase a metal hook for $90. These items are crucial for your next step. Once you have both the heavy cord and the metal hook, it's time to craft your special tool. Simply combine these two items in your inventory to create a sturdy grappling hook. This newly crafted tool is absolutely vital, as it will allow you to access areas that are otherwise out of reach, bringing you closer to your goal. With your grappling hook ready, head back to Estero Park. Navigate to the area known as Estero State Park 51. Keep a keen eye out for a suitable spot where you can deploy your grappling hook. The red ginseng plant is typically found in this particular section, waiting to be discovered. Once you spot the red ginseng, use your grappling hook to collect it. Remember, you can only carry one red ginseng plant in your inventory at any given time. If you wish to sell it, Prisha at the massage parlor will buy it from you for a good price of $600. Happy hunting!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.